we call up support, Pete. Did something airborne with scrambling?
I think they're trying to launch that V1 over there.
They are indeed.
V1 needs a bit more horsepower.
I'm just thinking about their offense out there. From the seat. Harvard's attacking us. I think it was the same sort of thing as those guys, but obviously there's a bit of confusion in the ranks. No doubt about that. Let's say they are.
Feel the heat.
Japanese attacking the Germans.
So cool.